Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Gemini link. First, open your Gemini conversation. Look for the share icon, usually located near the top right of your chat window. Clicking this icon will reveal sharing options. This process allows you to quickly generate a unique link. You can then copy and paste this link to share your AI interaction with anyone you choose. It's a straightforward way to collaborate or show off interesting dialogues. Once you've clicked the share icon, a small menu will appear. Within this menu, you'll see an option labeled Create Public Link. Select this option to proceed. Gemini will then ask for confirmation to ensure you intend to make the conversation shareable. After confirming, the system will instantly generate a unique, public URL for your specific chat. This link is ready for immediate use. After the link is generated, it will be displayed prominently. You'll see a Copy Link button next to it. Click this button to copy the entire URL to your clipboard. Now, you can paste this link wherever you wish. Share it in a text message, an email, or even embed it in a document. Remember, anyone who has this link will be able to view the conversation you've shared. Before sharing any Gemini conversation, always take a moment to review its content. Ensure there's no sensitive or private information you wouldn't want publicly accessible. Once a link is created, it remains active until you choose to revoke it within your Gemini settings. This gives you control over who can view your shared chats. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.